Hello, I'm gonna make rice today for my fried rice. So I'm gonna pre-make for today to cook the fried rice tomorrow. So I have a 1.5 cup, 1 cup, 2 cup. So this is about 2 cup rice right here. And I'm gonna wash it. Oh, my secret machine here. Let me turn this on for you guys.
안녕하세요. 쿠쿠입니다. 음성 가이드로 더욱 편리하게 쿠쿠하세요.
Cool. My K-pop machine. Rice is right now. So I just use cold water. I just put it between my hand to get the starch off. And what kind of quality? It should be a little clear. See how the starchy looks? Color. See, you can tell it's getting like not that cloudy anymore. It's getting a lot more clear. Okay, this is good. So 2 cup rice should be 4 cup, like 4 cup. But the 2 cup water as well. Equal amount water, equal amount rice. Okay. I'm like not like Uncle Roger. I don't wash my rice in the pot. I don't want to scrape my pot. And this is really good pot. A rice cooker is so important to cook rice. This is like the best. I have no clue what they're saying, but it's the best cooker, I think. That's what I'm saying. I do mixed rice because I'm using brown rice. So just let it do its thing now. So this is like a pressure cooker. It's release all the steam out. Music to my ear. It's all done. So now the rice is down. Most time you cannot open the rice cooker right away, but this rice cooker you can open it. Perfect rice. You can't mess this one up. Now I'm gonna leave the rice off for whole night tonight for tomorrow's fried rice.